Welcome both to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, you've guessed, we're going to be recreating Halloween, Jack the Skeleton, or any skeleton makeup look. It's easy. It takes time to get the application of eyeshadows on, but the shape is very easy. I guess anyone can recreate it. In case you're interested, stay tuned. We're getting started. I did have camera my base, the one that I created for vampire look, and I'm gonna get started again with this SFX palette, and the color I'm using today is going to be black. You can do some sketches with pencil first, and then later you can switch to black eyeshadows or gel shadows. Let's start from the point of my brow, the highest point, like the beginning of my brow, and then we're gonna drag it along the nose and then create a circle, go back to the temples, and then right in the center of the highest point, I guess, of my brow, we're gonna go back and then connect the lines. Let's try to do the same thing for my right eye. If you have some imperfections, you can always make sure that you take this off with finger or again with beauty blender. Now I will create a little bit longer nostrils. So we're kind of like copying the nostrils that I have, but we're going around and a little bit higher. And we're almost there, guys. Now I will go from the lowest point of my lip. I'm gonna go further. That much. Then we're gonna repeat the same thing right here. Kind of like still sketching. Do a couple of triangles. And I was thinking to add those lines, tiny lines, as if it's some sort of stitches. We're kind of going further and doing the same thing on top. I'm gonna start with black, and I'm gonna do this thing that I explained earlier. We're gonna follow the shape and create depth. Okay, let's switch to a little bit different brush. This one is flat brush, and we're gonna go with the same black color to fill in the gaps. And I would say that in the area of my eye, I'm gonna add a little bit of eye primer. This color, or specifically this eyeshadows, they're gonna crease a lot. So I'm gonna leave the space, and I will probably add black eyeshadows later when we're gonna set the gel formula. So I'm going with my black lip pencil, and this is a lip pencil that I actually use a lot. I'm gonna do black eyeshadows on top to set everything in place, and the best option is from Simple Beauty because these are matte and they're very pigmented. I'm gonna go with the same brush that I used for this part, and the color is Smoky. It's going all over my face. I guess I'm going to use a pen brush. This is a tiny brush. Tap off and go over the lines. We just need to set them, and that's it. Okay, if you want to go some extra mile, it's totally optional again. I'm gonna go with my gray color. This is from Simple Beauty eyeshadow palette. And just lightly go on top to add a little bit more dimension, and that's it. And now I'm gonna finally coat lashes with mascara. This one is from Essence. This is the final result of my Jack the Skeleton or regular skeleton makeup look. It was easy, it just took time to get the color on, but still, the shape is pretty easy. I guess everyone can do this. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you next time.